butterfly, fluttering feet. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, big or tall. E is for elephant, strong and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for guitar, strum a song. H is for hippo, big and strong. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, get on your feet. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, roaring by. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, safe on the ground. O is for octopus, arms so wide. P is for penguin, waddle side to side. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rain, falling down. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for train, rolling left and right. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, play it high. U is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Great job, everyone, you did it. Now you know your ABCs. Give yourself a big high five. Let's sing again next time.